Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power, disconnect the negative battery cable, and wait a few minutes so airbag systems discharge. Once done, remove the glove box and lower kick panels to expose dash fasteners. Use a plastic trim tool for clips and Torx T20/T25 drivers for screws. This prevents scratches and stripped heads. As you work, organize screws into groups so reassembly is simple. Make sure trim clips are fully released before pulling to avoid breaking plastic. This sets you up to access the dashboard fast. You now remove the instrument cluster and center stack supports. First, unfasten the cluster screws and gently slide the cluster forward about 1 to 2 inches to access rear connectors. Press release tabs and unplug, labeling each connector. Next, remove center stack screws and the A/C vent retainers. You may need to lower the upper dash section slightly. Throughout, support the dash with one hand while loosening fasteners so nothing drops. These steps free the main attachment points and let you prepare for dashboard extraction. You finish by lifting the dashboard forward and off its mounts. Do this evenly and have a helper for heavy sections to prevent stress on clips. Once free, disconnect any remaining harnesses and set the dash aside on a padded surface. For reassembly, reverse the steps. Plug connectors, seat the dashboard, and tighten fasteners to factory specification. After reconnecting the negative battery, cycle ignition to verify displays. If screens or controls don't work, recheck connector seating and fuses before troubleshooting further. Loose pins are the most common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.